In this video we have listed the top 5 best angle clamp on existing market. We made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, durability, features, customer review and many more things.
Are you new viewers? You should connect with us clicking by subscribe button, then press the bell icon for next updates.
Best of 5. KAKA Industrial 90-degree Angle Clamp. 90-degree angle measure vise. Perfect square joints every time. Self-centering and swiveling jaw. Copper-plated screw spindle. Solid construction and heavy-duty angle clamp vise. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. BETOOLL cast iron Welders angle clamp. Unobstructed working area allows free access for welding or assembly operations and 2 ways for T-joints. 2-way swivel-mounted spindle automatically adjusts the clamping block to work pieces of different thicknesses. Holds work pieces at a 90-degree angle. Maximum passage for joints, 2.5 inches, ideal for plates, angle iron, square tubing, pipe, channel iron, etc. Weight, 8 pounds. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. TOFL Positioning Squares Angle Clamp. Our TOFL clamping squares are just the ticket to get that job done right with that perfect 90-degree angle on inside or outside corners. No contractor should be traveling anywhere without this set in your main toolbox. They are so easy to clamp and strong enough to not flex and very reasonably light and easy to work. Our quality build set of 2 positioning squares have been rigorously tested for accuracy for the 90-degree angle. The set of 2 come with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. Housolution Single Handle Angle Clamp. Durable right angle clamp, made of premium aluminum alloy die casting material. Allows 2 wood block of different thicknesses to be joined at a 90-degree angle. Solid and anti-skid, helps to set up instantly and secure quickly. Maximum clamping range is approximately 2.7-inch jaw width, 3.5-inch jaw depth, 1.4-inch. Rubberized single handle with adjustable rotary jaw to align and hold work pieces precisely. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. MLCS Adjustable 90-degree Angle Clamp. Can-do clamp can do it all. A clamp and a vise, sturdy aluminum construction. Sets up instantly, secures quickly. Perfect for framing, drilling, doweling, and more. Sliding T-handle for high clamping pressure. Oblong holes for easy mounting on workbench. Check the description for best price and details.